one of the many costly water brands that aren't manufactured in a factory. The 10,000 BC sources its water from the Hat Mountain Glacier in Canada. Many luxury water brands opt for glacier waters as it is not filtered from the ground, thus ensuring it is uncontaminated and untouched by anyone. The bottle also comes with a high-end packaging, rocking an elegant, premium glass case. Number 11. Berg Water, $20 per bottle. Berg water is naturally acquired from Canada's remote island Newfoundland. The iceberg-filled area is said to be one of the most pristine places in the world due to its far-flung location, thus the water harvested is said to be purely virginal and void of contaminants. To better suit the high-end market, the water is encased in a special packaging that best represents the purity of nature. Harvesting the water from Newfoundland is quite difficult due to the harsh conditions of Newfoundland, thus resulting in limited production. Nonetheless, this results in minimal environmental repercussions, especially considering that the water collected is solely derived from melted icebergs. Number 10. Veen, $23 per bottle. Harvested from multiple natural spring sources in the world, Veen offers luxury waters that are of utmost purity and unspoiled by nitrate. The first spring water of Veen originated from Finnish Lapland, while its second source came from Bhutan's spring mineral water. Veen's spring water, which is low on mineral content, is filtered through an ice and thus resulting in a smooth texture. Meanwhile, Veen's mineral water is best for hydration due to its rich mineral content. Regardless of which type of water you decide to buy, it'll be encased in an exclusive $50 per bottle. Iluliak is derived from the Cermak Glacier in Greenland, which has been a UNESCO-protected site since 2004. The icebergs are carried onto a boat by local workers, before being carried onto vats so it melts naturally. Similar to Berg water, production on Iluliak is limited due to its reliance on environmental factors and natural elements. Each Iluliak purchased will feel special, with the company abstaining from stocking up on bottle to ensure item delivered is the freshest of quality. To make this possible, each bottle is dated and the customer's name is jotted down on the label. Number 6. Svalbard, $85 per 750 ml bottle with gift tube. An Arctic expedition to Europe's Svalbard is commenced to make one of the purest water available you can purchase and gift to your friends and loved ones, with the company offering various gift packs that have an elegant tube. Svalbard also recognizes that the water should be encased in a premium bottle that it deserves. Its main vessel is made of extra flint glass, while the wooden cap bears the resemblance of an Arctic driftwood. Number 5. Filico $200, $240 per bottle. Sophistically encased in uniquely designed bottles adorned with a myriad of Swarovski crystals, Filico offers Japanese craftsmanship at its finest, while you delight on refreshing yourself with a smooth, high-quality natural mineral water sourced from Kobe, Japan. Filico offers various water bottles that have an angelic and royal-like design. The company states that it's a perfect gift for your loved ones, as the bottle symbolizes brightness of purity and innocence. Number 4. Kona Nigiri $402 per 750 ml bottle. Harvested 2,000 feet below the surface of the Pacific Ocean of Hawaii, this desalinated deep-sea water from Kona Nigiri is said to bring plenty of health benefits to consumers due to the special qualities it contains. The packaging leaves much to be desired for the premium price of this product, sold exclusively in Japan, but it's the cleanliness and health benefits that matter most for people interested in Kona Nigiri. Number 3. Bling H2OS the $10,000, $2,700 per bottle. How do you easily make the Swarovski adorned Bling H2O products more expensive? It's quite simple. Fill them up with more Swarovski crystals. Bling H2O was quite literal in naming the 10,000, as the bottle comes embellished with 10,000 Swarovski crystals. With this bottle in tow, you'll truly stand out blinging from the crowd. Number 2. Acqua di Cristallo Tributo a Modigliani, $60,000. With Acqua di Cristallo Tributo a Modigliani, you can get a taste of both water and gold. The handcrafted bottle, which is made out of 24-karat gold with 5 milligrams of 23K gold dust, was based on the artwork of Italian artist Amedeo Clemente Modigliani. Contained inside this extravagant 1.250 ml bottle is a combination of glacier water from Iceland and natural spring waters from France and Fiji Islands. Sadly, you won't get to try a sip of Acqua di Cristallo Tributo a Modigliani because it was sold at auction for $60,000 back in 2010. Number 1. Beverly Hills 90H20 Luxie Collection Diamond Edition, $100,000 per bottle. Topping the list of our most expensive water brands of 2018 is the Beverly Hills 90H20 Luxie Collection Diamond Edition. Beverly Hills has always hailed itself as the champagne of water due to its great-tasting water sourced from Northern California's mountain springs. The company has outdone itself this time, as this edition, which is touted to be the ultimate in water, is sourced from the Sierra Nevada mountains and was instilled with minerals, potassium, calcium, and minerals to enhance its taste and nutrients. The Luxie Collection Diamond Edition's bottle, which was designed by jeweler Mario Padilla, comes with a white gold cap encrusted with 14-karat gold comprising of over 250 black diamonds and 600 G/Vs white diamonds. Only 9 bottles were ever made, and purchasing one will net you a 1-year supply of the Beverly Hills 9020 Lifestyle Collection.